Hi, this is ZTE Blade A73 and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's open first the box. Let's check it. So for example, the first accessories which we could see here, this is the charger, the original adapter with all of the specifications. Also we got here the USB Type-C cable, the headphones with a 3.5mm part, and also let's check this paper box. So we got here the SIM eject tool, the warranty card and quick start guide, and also we got here the tempered glass. So that's it. That's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.